Want to land a high-paying tech job in 2025? Rocket, the programming language you choose, can make or break your career. From AI and automation to blockchain and cloud computing, companies are paying top dollar for skilled developers. So, which programming languages will help you maximize your earnings in 2025? Let's break it down. Why choosing the right language matters. 1. The power of language choice. Not all programming languages are equal. Some offer high earning potential, job security, and a strong career trajectory. Choosing the right one can shape your future as a developer. 2. The link between languages and earnings. Languages like Python, Java, and JavaScript are in high demand. Companies pay premium salaries for developers skilled in these areas. Specializing in the right languages can significantly boost your paycheck. 3. Job security and career growth. Beyond salary, the languages you master can also secure your job in the long term. Languages tied to growing industries like AI, cloud computing, and blockchain offer consistent job opportunities and career advancement. 4. Adapting to changing trends. Technology evolves quickly. What's popular today might not be in demand tomorrow. By focusing on languages with sustained growth, you'll stay relevant in the job market for years to come. 5. The path forward. Top languages for 2025. So, which languages should you focus on in 2025? Let's take a look at the most valuable languages that will boost your earning potential and set you on the path to success. The top high-paying programming languages. Kotlin. Key uses and industries. Kotlin is the official language for Android app development. It's used by leading companies like Google, Netflix, and Uber for mobile app development. Why Kotlin pays well? Kotlin's seamless integration with Android and its ability to improve developer productivity make it a highly sought-after language. It's ideal for building robust and scalable mobile applications that power some of the world's most popular platforms. Companies in the mobile tech and app development space are hiring Kotlin developers for their expertise. Salary insights. Average salary for experienced Kotlin developers, $105,000 plus per year. If you're into mobile development, Kotlin is your go-to choice. Its growing popularity and official backing by Google make it a top language for building Android apps, with plenty of high-paying opportunities. Swift. Key uses and industries. Swift is the primary language for iOS app development. It's widely used in fintech, healthcare, and gaming for developing apps within the Apple ecosystem. Why Swift pays well? Swift's role in the Apple ecosystem makes it essential for creating high-quality, user-friendly apps. As iOS continues to dominate the mobile market, Swift developers are in high demand to create innovative apps across industries like finance, healthcare, and gaming. Companies rely on Swift to build apps that drive revenue in the App Store. Salary insights. Average salary for experienced Swift developers, $115,000 plus per year. Apple's ecosystem continues to grow, and Swift developers are in high demand for iOS app development. With its sleek performance and ability to create cutting-edge apps, Swift is a smart choice for lucrative opportunities in mobile development. Python, the high-demand language powering AI and automation. Key uses and industries. Python is a versatile programming language widely used in AI, data science, web development, and automation. Industries like finance, healthcare, and machine learning rely on Python for its efficiency and extensive libraries, including TensorFlow, Pandas, and Flask. From automating tasks to building AI models, Python's simplicity and scalability make it essential in modern tech. Why Python pays well? Python's role in AI, automation, and big data drives high demand. Companies like Google, Tesla, and Amazon use Python to develop scalable solutions. As automation and AI adoption grow, so does the need for Python experts. Its ease of learning and ability to create high-performance applications make Python developers valuable, leading to higher salaries and career growth. Salary insights. Python developers, particularly in AI and data science, earn competitive salaries. Entry-level, $80,000 to $100,000. Mid-level, $100,000 to $130,000. Senior AI-focused, $120,000 plus. Remote and freelance opportunities, skilled Python developers can further increase their earnings. If you're interested in AI, automation, or finance, Python is a must-learn. Its broad applicability and future-proof demand make it one of the top-paying languages today. Golang, the powerhouse behind cloud computing and AMP, backend development. Key uses and industries. Go, also known as Golang, was created by Google to handle large-scale computing efficiently. It is widely used in cloud computing, DevOps, and backend development. With its speed, simplicity, and scalability, Go is the go-to language for microservices, networking, and high-performance applications. Companies like Google, Dropbox, and Uber rely on Go for their backend infrastructure. Why Go pays well? Go's efficiency makes it perfect for cloud-native applications and large-scale backend systems. As more businesses shift to distributed computing and containerized applications, Go developers are in high demand. Major tech companies, startups, and cloud service providers actively seek Go developers to build high-performance and scalable systems. Salary insights. Go developers earn competitive salaries due to the language's high demand. Entry-level, $90,000 to $110,000. Mid-level, $110,000 to $140,000. Senior cloud-focused, $130,000 plus. With remote work and freelance opportunities, Go developers can maximize their earnings. If you want to work with cloud-native applications or backend development, learning Go is a smart investment. Its efficiency and growing demand in critical infrastructure make it a top contender for high-paying roles. Rust, the secure and AMP, high-performance language for system programming. Key uses and industries. Rust is known for its memory safety, speed, and reliability, making it a top choice for system programming. It is widely used in cybersecurity, embedded systems, and blockchain development. With its zero-cost abstractions and prevention of memory leaks, Rust is perfect for performance-heavy applications and secure software. Companies like Mozilla, Microsoft, and blockchain startups use Rust to build efficient and safe systems. Why Rust pays well? Rust's combination of speed and safety makes it crucial in industries where security and performance are top priorities. It's gaining popularity in blockchain, cryptography, and Web3 due to its ability to create secure and efficient smart contracts. As businesses focus more on secure software development, Rust developers are highly sought after. Salary insights. Rust developers command high salaries due to their specialized skills. Level $100,000 to $120,000. Mid-level, $120,000 to $150,000. Senior blockchain-focused, $140,000 plus. With demand growing in cybersecurity and blockchain, Rust developers enjoy strong career opportunities and remote work flexibility. Rust is becoming a favorite for high-performance applications, and developers skilled in Rust are in high demand. Its focus on security and performance makes it an excellent language for lucrative, future-proof opportunities. Honorable mentions: more high-paying tech languages. C++ powering games and AMP, high-performance computing. C++ is a go-to language for game development and high-performance computing. Used in industries requiring fast execution and efficiency, such as video games, real-time systems, and finance. Developers skilled in graphics engines, simulations, and low-latency applications are in high demand. SQL, the backbone of data management. SQL is essential for data analytics and database management. It's widely used in industries that handle large data sets, like finance, healthcare, and e-commerce. With data-driven decision-making on the rise, SQL experts are highly sought after. Solidity, the language of smart contracts. Solidity is used for developing smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. It's crucial in blockchain, DeFi, decentralized finance, and cryptocurrency platforms. As blockchain adoption grows, Solidity developers play a key role in building next-gen financial and Web3 applications. These languages also offer excellent earning potential, especially in fields like gaming, blockchain, and data engineering. Mastering one of these can unlock some of the most exciting and high-paying opportunities in tech today. How to get started in AMP? Maximize your earnings. 1. Take online courses. Enroll in online courses to build a strong foundation in your chosen languages. 2. Build real-world projects. Start building real-world projects that demonstrate your abilities. Showcase these projects on GitHub to create an online portfolio that potential employers and clients can view. 3. Contribute to open-source projects. Contribute to open-source projects to gain practical experience and strengthen your resume. It's a great way to learn from experienced developers while making valuable contributions to the community. 4. Network on LinkedIn and GitHub. Build a strong network on LinkedIn and GitHub to connect with industry professionals and recruiters. Engage with communities, share your projects, and seek advice from experienced developers. 5. Freelance or do internships. Take on freelance projects or internships to gain hands-on experience and build your portfolio. Real-world experience will give you the practical skills that employers are looking for. Learning these languages is just the first step. Practical experience will take you to the next level and help you land high-paying roles faster. The more you learn and apply, the more opportunities will open up for you. Conclusion. That wraps up a list of the best programming languages to learn in 2025 for maximizing your earnings. The languages we covered today are in high demand and offer exciting career opportunities. Which one are you planning to learn? Drop a comment below and let us know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future content. I'll see you in the next one.